the left-hand pedal is your brakes and reverse. The right-hand pedal is your accelerator. That round thing in front of you is your steering wheel. If you look up in
I'm not very good with the camera.
You'll see some tellies. On those tellies in a minute, a sequence of 4 red lights. When the red lights go green, that's the start of the race. Don't go.
You're only annoying today. I've lost him.
Just put your foot on one of the pedals for me. One of the pedals, that's it. Hold it down. Okay, and the other one. That's it, lovely job, well done. You get pole position for that. That's exactly the same way they organise pole position in Formula 1. Anyone that helps the race organisers sort out a minor problem with their car, immediately to pole position.
I keep losing it.
Just turns out that Michael Schumacher's a very helpful chap. Okay guys, we're going to get this one underway then. Remember what I said, keep your eyes up on those screens. Wait until the lights go green before you go anywhere. Don't jump the start, you'll lose a lap automatically. Be off the pedals then.